Hello everybody, what's up everybody? Thank you very much for reaching out. Success Promise here, and actually I'm the Successful Electronics. I actually post electronic content on this video, and thank you very much for reaching out to this video. Actually this video I want to bring to you my Patreon page. Yeah, the Patreon page is actually a page which I created a few months ago. Actually the page is actually I post some video script or behind the scenes, and also video tutorials and video schematic, connection process, and also other valuable information about the video when I post it on YouTube. So actually you can visit that Patreon page on the description of this video, and also you can be able to support the channel. Yeah, actually the Patreon page I added some kind of tiles. I added tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. Actually these tiles you can be able to support me on behalf of my channel for more educative video creation. So that's why I created the Patreon page, and that's why I'm bringing the Patreon page to my audience today. So if you want to support the channel, even if it's $1, as low as $1, you can go to the Patreon page and buy me a coffee. It's actually the buy me a coffee tire. Click on the buy me a coffee and join my Patreon to support my work as electronic hobbies. Thank you so much. Actually the video which I'm creating right now is not a pressure to my audience. Like the video is not like a pressure to my audience that you must drop your money right there. It's not a pressure. I'm just asking for assistance, and if you wish to do well to support me. And thank you so much for reaching out to this video, and thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. I also want to thank you very much for reaching me to 100 subscribers in my channel. I really appreciate you, my audience, and I wish to post more educative video content that you will like. And as again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.